Everyone likes dealing with dirty dishes, yet almost 227 million Americans hand wash their dishes every day, which not only costs them time, but is messy, water intensive, and requires the use of sponges that collect tons of bacteria. On the other hand, not everyone has the space or the money for a full-size dishwasher, and until now, there were no alternatives. Introducing Shabosh, the most affordable dishwasher designed to give you one of the fastest washing experiences on the market with crystal clean dishes in just 40 seconds. At about the size of a laptop, Shabosh works in both homes and apartments. It was precisely designed to fit in a variety of spaces without any installation. Simply plug it into your wall outlet and you're good to go. No plumbing required. Guaranteeing that anyone can level up their dishwashing experience with an effective clean time and time again. Conventional dishwashers are not portable, but Shabosh can be folded and easily stored away, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. Shabosh was developed with precision and efficiency in mind. Its novel, patented, high-pressure washing cycle mixes soap and water together, atomizing and heating it to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dispenses it through its innovative wand system. Energy efficiency and water consumption are also at the forefront of this design, with Shabosh using 80% less water and 70 times less power than a traditional dishwasher.
The Presto Nomad traveling slow cooker for the family on the go. The locking lid seals tight for spill-proof travel, and it's easy to carry. A removable holder with silicone cord secures a utensil in transit and doubles as a spoon rest. The generous 6-quart size is enough to feed a crowd. Perfect for buffet-style foods anywhere. Set it to slow cook at high, low, or to keep warm. A marker and built-in dry erase board are included. The large see-through glass window is ideal for buffets, and the rugged, wide-profile design helps prevent tip-overs while traveling. It's easy to clean, too. The hinged cover and porcelain-enameled cooking pot are removable, and the pot is fully immersible. The cord tucks neatly away for storage or travel. Cook and go with the Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker.
Hi, Mark Gill here to tell you about the AeroCrisp, the incredible air-frying oven rack that gets rid of the grease and cooks in the crunch. It works right in your oven and cooks food to perfection every time. Look, even the bottom cooked crispy without any flipping. The secret is AeroCrisp's raised mesh rack, which allows oven heat to circulate 360 degrees around your food, creating a baking pocket that cooks food evenly on all sides at the same time. AeroCrisp adds crunch to your chicken tenders, pigs in a blanket, and chicken croquettes. AeroCrisp gives you healthier cooking without the guilt, because grease drips off food instead of cooking into it. That means fewer calories, less fat, more flavor. All the excess grease drips onto the handy baking sheet below. Cook fish and chips together. They turn out lighter and crunchier than ever. Preheated foods never recapture their crunch, but AeroCrisp gives day-old pizza crunch by the bunch. AeroCrisp's grill-like cooking surface makes less contact with food, so it never sticks. Even this melted plastic cup comes off with ease. Dishwasher safe, easy to store, so why would you cook any other way? It's time to pitch the pan and cook in the crunch.